good evening po. Congratulations. Jake Gil from 3D Manila. Of course, our question. My question is for Ken, for Enrique.
Yes.
Hello Ken, we missed you.
Thank you.
Yun nga, we missed you. So, ang tagal ka namin hindi nakita. So, what is in this project that made you say yes and become your first project after your hiatus?
I've always been a fan of comedy movies talaga. You know, my dad was a comedian, he was a magician, like siya nagka-clown and everything. And he always used to tell me, alam mo Ken, whatever you do, kahit sa trabaho, kahit pagod ka sa trabaho, he always make sure na nagpapatawa siya. He always tell me, alam mo Ken, laughter really is the best medicine. So, you know, it just stuck to me and I've never really done any comedy films ever. So sabi ko, you know, as may comeback, I don't want to do something na nagawa ko na. I want to do something different. And more than anything, I just want a good time. I want to have a good time. I want the people to have a good time. You know, I just want them to be happy, to laugh. You know, sa lahat ng stress sa buhay. Simple lang. Just have a good time.
Yeah. So it's really intentional that different siya from all the movies that you've done.
Yes, yes. Talaga. Parang now, I really choose what I want to do. Yung mga hindi ko nagawa. You know, para when I look back when I'm old, parang yes, I was able to do something I wanted to do. So yeah, here we are.
Ano parang daring ata itong movie. So, ano
Yeah.
i-expect namin on that side? Kasi syempre we used to see parang medyo wholesome yung characters mo nila.
Yeah, well at first talaga, napaisip ako na sabi ko, I need sa title pa lang Billboard, sabi ko, pucha, I need to do this. Alam mo yun? But of course, from reading the script and everything, sabi ko, shit, tama ba ito, gagawin ko? But, you know, also that concern is also what made me want to do it even more. Kasi yun nga, I've never done it. So parang yung concerns ko and, you know, reservations, it also pushed me to want to do it talaga. Yeah, good.
Thank you so much, Ken, and congratulations.
So I will also invite, who was a very keen eye on birds, our Madam Producer, Bianca Balbuena. Bianca, there you are. So bakit mo tinanggap tong project na to?
No, this material has been with me for the longest time, and I don't know, nagandahan siguro si Enrique when I pitched sa Zoom. But he said yes, it's a wonderful material, and we're happy to be co-producing with Black Sheep also. Black Sheep! And the plan, and of course, oh my God, nobody mentioned, but it's the first venture of Enrique Gil into producing. The creative development, he was so involved, so a lot of the dialogue input were from him. We had a lot of revisions, and every time we send a revised script, the day after nabasa na niya. So that's how dedicated he is. Yeah, really good. Casting also is involved with everything. And it's gonna be in cinemas this year and international festivals hopefully next year.
So more questions, please. More questions, please.
Hi, good evening. I'm MJ from Village PH. Congratulations again. Hi there, son. Congratulations, and productive day for you. So our first question, Kaka mentioned lang, this is your first movie that you're producing. How's that for you so far?
Feels amazing. At first, like I think a year ago, parang I was at a point na, you know, talagang gusto ko tahimik na yung buhay ko. I really walked away from showbiz. I just wanted to focus on my business, me and my mom's business. But you know, parang something that really sit with me well. Sabi ko, I can't just leave the industry na wala man lang akong iwan. More than the projects that I've done. So sabi ko, I wanted to make a difference sa industry natin. Push our content, you know, push Filipino content out here instead of just local, you know, for international, you know, viewers. So yun, we just talked with some of the writers from ABS before and Ranvel. And bigla lang nabuo ito bro out of nowhere. And this is also the reason why I also came back. Diba? So kahit siguro matanda na ako, kahit hindi na ako pwede umarte o sa harap ng camera, at nagbibigay pa rin ako kahit paano ng entertainment sa Pilipinas. So yeah, good.
Okay. Looking forward for more. The second question is, after a series of rom-com movies in the past, and then you jumped into this, some people kasi would like to see it as a risk for you because you might be alienating your core fans. What's your reaction to that?
I think it's good, man. I mean, the problem kasi if you're too comfortable, you don't move it. Diba? Kailangan maging uncomfortable na para gumalaw ka. So, I really take that into heart. So, yeah.
Looking forward for the congratulations. One last question, correct? Kasi of course, first namin of course my favorite work from you, Patay na si Jesus. Mas
Solid yun.
gago ba ito yung...
Ay, oo, mas gago. Like mga times 5 ka na.
Times 5. Times 5.
Mas irreverent, mas, alam mo yun, dito babahan kami eh.
So looking forward. Congratulations guys.
Thank you.
Hello, guys from Pelikula Media. I want to ask po, what were your first initial reactions nung nabasa niyo yung script?
I really need to do this. Yun lang. Kasi, I've tried to do some... Well, actually, pati mga rom-com naman namin may konting comedy talaga. So, I grew up with my dad being a comedian in a way. Na sinakatlawan talaga sa kahit mga kid shows, sa Magic, he had his own character. So, I grew up with that. So, parang, I just wanted to do it, I wanted to be able to see myself doing these films. At sinabi ko talaga, I can't sit with me kung hindi ko talaga gagawin mga ganitong genre na gusto ko. Kaya hindi ko nagagawa. It's just for me. I don't have to prove anything to anyone, to myself. I just want to do it. Basically.
Red. Red. Yeah, initial reactions nung nabasa niyo yung script?
Oh man, when I read that script, pare, sabi ko, oh shit, ito na yan, pare. Ito na yung mag-aangat sa lahat. Ito na yun, wala nang, riveting, grabe, yung range ng acting ni Enrique Gil, guys. Man, dalawang character. Alam mo yun, amazing.
You're Zach Galifianakis of the Philippines.
Hindi na buhay o hindi naman? I'm the first medal winner of the world, pare.
Ako nung nabasa ko to, totoo to, nakita kami ni Enrique, ako pa yung nag-alala para sa kanya. Sabi ko, gagawin mo talaga to? Kasi, bastos ito eh. Parang, di ba kasi hindi, gusto ko to. Kaya sabi ko, nung siya nga, hindi umarte, aarte pa ba tayo? Meron pa ba tayong iniingatang image? Wala kang iniingatang image. Diba? So, walang problema, go kami dito.
Ako, unang tanong na pumasok sa isip ko, ano magiging reaction ng anak ko pag napanood ko. Kaya nang mag-judge ako lang sa...
Spoiler ba yun?
Spoiler? Hindi naman. Sorry. May mag-judge ako sa pelikula. Pero hindi naman makita yung ari. It's about fucking time. Maraming restrictions kasi before the pandemic, di ba? So ngayon siguro ito yung sa mga blessings ng pandemic. Lumuwag yung restrictions because we are now targeting international. Ang daming may fans sa mga Korean films. Tangina, it's about time maraming maging fan ng Filipino films. It's about time. Legalize ejaculation sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas na Pilipinas. Yan lang.
Kayo direct naman, ano yung parang pinaghahandaan nyo with all-male cast tapos parang sa ibang bansa pa kayo sa shoot? Pinaghahandaan.
How do you call this? Actually, ang writers pumunta na last year and research at Mag-Ipon. And punta ulit kami doon. We have a Thai counterpart in terms of helping us with the production. 70% of the film is going to be there. And as far as preparation ng cast, hindi ko dapat mag-inuman si mo eh.
Okay sa Thailand, pare.
Dapat gano'n, bonding sila para kasi nung nag-dry meeting kami, ganda ng chemistry nila na parang as if patagal sila magkikilala. And I want more of that, diba? Wasa ka ng buhay, gano'n. Yun, so, yeah, I'm excited kasi nakita na namin. And, yun, so, ang dami nilang mga ad-lib, ang dami nilang mga nalagay. Na-feel ko, siguro di kami matapos tumatawa na kami sa set, gano'n. So, yun, at mag-judge ako, gano'n. So,
Wait, flex ko yung Thai partner namin, si Soros of Home. He produced the Tilda Swinton film in Cannes. He produced Apichapong Pangdor. He produced Hunger in Netflix now, so if you guys can watch it.
May mga values po itong pelikulang to. May mapupulot na yung aral. Diba?
Yes.
Questions po.
Hi, I'm Charlie Magulo from Philippine Star.
Hi.
So my question is, how was it filming in Thailand? Filming in Thailand? And
It was great.
Wala pang passport eh.
Wala pang passport si Pepe.
Maybe expectations?
what do you look forward to now?
Ma-offload siya.
Immigration.
Sa immigrant, pantay. And, pantay and ping pong.
Magic show. Ayan, magic show. May mga magic show doon na papanoorin talaga namin.
Ako, just have a good time with the group, man. Yun lang gusto. And for sure, we're gonna have a good time. Sa lahat mga pinagkat nila.
Ako din, just have a good time with the group, pare. And hope that we have a good time and all the legal ganja that we're gonna have. It's legal there. Dito, hindi pa. Hindi pa. Okay, sige.
Good evening. I'm Aljon from Daily Tribune. For Enrique, how was your transition given that it was almost years before your last movie, and given that this is your outside your comfort zone, how was your transition for you?
Ewan ko, parang sa tagal na rin na wala, parang start to zero na naman ako eh. So, yeah, I mean, it's gonna feel all new again kasi medyo hindi na ako sanay mag-taping, bro. But you know, I know I'll be ready pagdating ng day. When the set na kami, ready na kami for sure. Transition, I don't know, bro. Pagdating ko doon, malalaman ko talaga. But for now, I'm super excited and can't wait for this one ride.
One more question for Enrique. Given that you tried this outside your comfort zone type of genre film, does it mean that you are wanting or eyeing other type of genres in the next years?
For sure. Actually, yes. Lahat ng mga projects ko coming forward, may mga nakalatag na. There will be different genres na hindi pa nagagawa or nakikita in a while sa film industry. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Arjan.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm Kevin Pableo.
Chemist.
To a certain sir, how will you use your own brand of comedic timing to approach your character in I Am Not
Comedic timing, no? Hindi, yung comedic timing kasi para sa akin, hindi siya natuturo eh. May kanya-kanya tayong timing. So dito sa movie na to, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ibubuhos ko lahat ng adlib na nalalaman ko na hindi ko pa nagawa sa social media. Kumbaga, nire-reserve ko talaga dito.
Ako, ang style ko lang naman sa lahat ng ginagawa ko ay yung katotohanan. And kaya ako lagi kong kinakaibigan lahat ng mga nakakatrabaho ko. So tama yung sinasabi ni Direk na kailangan namin ng bonding. That's part of my process as an actor. To have real bonding with my castmate. So, tinanong ko sila kung first day, trabaho na pa agad o magbabanding muna kami. Thankfully, yung mga producers namin, they're very advanced and out of this world and progressive, out of this world. So, sabi nila, first day, bonding muna kami, immersion muna kami. That's, yeah. Does that answer your question? Okay.
Ako ba? I'm waiting to me. Okay, sige. Huwag kayo masyadong mag-expect sa akin. Sobrang di ako actor. So, dadaling ko yung style ko dito kasi yun lang yung alam kong gawin. Hindi dahil, dinadala niya sa screen yung stage style niya. Hindi. It's lack of ability. Very nakahulo sa isang bagay and ginamit nila ako dito. So, yun. Kung anong nakita niya sa akin, bastos or says what he wants to say, ganun rin ako sa screen. Dahil wala na ako ibang kayang gawin. Thank you. Yun lang po.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Tech.
Hello,
The
Rachel.
question is for,
Hi, Rachel.
My question first is for Enrique. So coming from that mindset that you didn't want to, or you didn't think that you'd act again, because of the pandemic, what was it like meeting with these boys and na ganito yung klaseng ka-crazy yung gagawin mong project for your company?
It just, it just makes it everything better, It just excites me even more to start filming already and, get this, sana matapos na ito para maparoon na ng lahat. And it just, feels good to be back. Yun lang, parang, akala ko hindi ko na mamimiss pero syempre mamimiss mo kahit pa paano, diba? So yeah, I'm excited, I'm just happy. I just wanna have a good time, basically. So yeah.
And then you share with us yung producing aspect, yung journey mo so far.
Yun nga, parang I just wanted to, leave something na kahit, wala na ako sa camera. In the future, like, I can still, provide content, entertainment, for the Filipinos. Ayun, ang dream ko lang talaga is mas makilala tayo sa ibang bansa. Yun, basically that's it. Just that legacy na maiwan lang natin. And yeah, I guess we're doing it now, so super happy.
Because I remember you signed a contract with ABS-CBN last April. So are you gonna work on a TV project anytime soon?
Yes, actually we pitched our concept to ABS for a TV series. So yeah, ginagawa na po ngayon. Siguro mga next year pa.
Exclusive ka for TV series, right?
Yes. Exclusive for TV for ABS.
Co-produce mo or?
We will talk it, kasi yung concept namin, so I think it'll be really nice kung
Parang meron nang sinasabi si Pepe na kasunduan. Kasunduan ni Enrique na what are you telling me, Pepe?
Hindi. Kasi we're protecting our friendship eh. So sabi ko, dapat kasama kami dyan kahit extra lang. Diba? Don deal, sabi niya yung producer.
Dagdag ko lang, maraming salamat kasi kasama kami sa kampang niya. So ang dami nag-aambag. History na ito, kumbaga kasama na ito sa Hekasi. Diba? Makakasama na kami dyan yung 3 years ang nagpahinga. So yun, maraming salamat.